Today we've been primarily monitoring the behaviour of fires that are occurring in the Blue Mountains in particular, and down south in the back behind the hinterland behind Wollongong. Our main job today is to work with the rural fire services in particular to make sure that they've got enough water to fight fires wherever possible. Making sure that any of their needs can be relayed back to the control centre. We can prioritise our work to make sure that they've got as much water as they need to do their job. Look, today we have approximately 20 to 25 people in the emergency control centre. Functions range through operations. They're the people who are looking after the system, making sure that it's working as it should. They're also responsible for deploying our people into the field, making sure our people are safe, keeping in constant communication with them, tracking their movements, making sure that we have the right equipment in place for them, the right safety gear, all the things they need to do their job in the field. We also have a planning team. They look at what might be occurring in the next 4 hours or even the next few days.
We're looking a few days into the future, trying to understand what might impact our operation and run some scenarios so that we can best prepare the organisation to manage those events and also to help the public in getting the services back.
We also have a communications team. They work with me in particular to keep everybody not only in Sydney Water informed, but also Rural Fire Service, our state colleagues at Homebush, and various stakeholder groups, our minister, informed of how things are progressing and how Sydney Water's positioned to deal with issues that may arise throughout the day.
What I'm seeing is a very professional approach. We have great people in the business that do great things, and while this is a crisis, we're managing this in a very calm way, and I'm so impressed the way we're communicating with everyone, that we're working as a team. The system's performing well, but we're looking ahead for the future, and we're looking at the risks that could be occurring, and we're working out plans on how to adapt to that. We're also putting safety as the number one criteria, and I'm so pleased to see that. We're monitoring on the GPS where everyone is. We're in good contact with them. Safety is our number one concern.
We've also got people who look after the equipment, the generators, the pumps, all the equipment our people in the field need. One group of people I think we really need to thank is our partners with TEAS, who supply the mechanical and electrical support for us in these really key times. It's the pumping stations, that mechanical electrical gear that really means that our systems can keep working like they should.
We're in there as part of the overall team, a small part but a really important part. Our priority will obviously be to keep our staff safe who are working up in the Blue Mountains and Springwood, but also to make sure the essential services are there for the firefighters, for the water supply and the sewer systems, to keep them functional to deliver those essential services.
We're doing more than just our normal statutory. We're out helping people that aren't necessarily our customers. I've seen that we're filling up dams where that's been taken by the helicopters. We're putting water where we need to. I'm so proud of this organisation. It's a great organisation with good people who are doing great things. So everyone that's been involved in this, my simple answer is, can I just say thanks to everyone for what you're doing, and it is appreciated, and we are part of this community and we're helping where we can. Thanks.